Unfortunately, also I will not be able to speak in Slovenian, but we will do our best with English. And yes, I wanted to be here because I had the opportunity to meet Professor Grichar, and he's very active in his networks of international and also trans-border groups of municipalities, third age university and so on. And I wanted also to express my interest for your activities here in Ljubljana. The silver economy is a very important matter that has gained importance at all levels of international cooperation. It is in the context of the United Nations, it is in the context of the European Union.